Okay, let's go to the question number 2. In this question, he asks you to make a right view section. Right view section. So it's not necessary in the exam or in the quiz. He wants you always to make a front view section. He wants you to sometimes to add a right view section, or sometimes a top view section. So right view section means that the diagonal lines in the right. Top view section, the diagonal lines would be in the top. Okay, but where should I cut? Okay, in the question number 1 we cut it from the top. Okay, for the right view, if I want to cut, we cut it from the opposite view. So we can cut it from, in this case, from the front. Okay, we cut it from the front. Okay, we cut it from the top. Also, we can cut it from the top. You can cut it like this, vertical. But we usually, if it's in the right, we cut it in the opposite view, which is in the front. Okay. Yeah, let's do that together. Very simple. So open the new this folder or this file. The same thing, file, make drawing part, isometric. Okay. So don't forget to add the dimensions. I didn't add the dimensions because you know how to do that. So don't just make the section without adding the dimension, because the drawing sheet is about the dimensions. Okay. Also about the section, if there is a section. Okay. Now first angle. Here, properties, first angle. Step number 1. Step number 2. Step number 3. Before that, we have to drag the front first. So this is the front. This is the top. This is the right. And this is the isometric. Okay, move the isometric to be here and with color. Okay. Step number 3, add the dash lines. So just click on the front and make the dash lines for every view. Then tangent edge remove. Click here, and click here. Also here, and make draw. You have to right click. Tangent edge remove for all of them. Okay. Now the scale, I believe the scale is a little bit smaller, so we can make it a little bit bigger. Click here, then make the scale. Let's see, how about 1:1? Oh, 1:1 is very big. So I believe it will be 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.8. I believe 1.5 is okay. Okay, but here I have to make it smaller. Okay, 1 to 2 is okay. Now we have to make the section. The section here will be right view section. If he asks you the right view section. So how I can do that? View layout, section view, horizontal or vertical. The cut would be horizontal like this, or vertical. No, it would be vertical. So vertical. Choose the center. Okay. Then check. The arrow is okay in the same way. Yes, the right will be in the left. It's not like here. So it will be in the left. So the arrow is okay. Now we'll put it here. Then escape. Then delete the previous. Then bring it back. Okay. Just drag that. Bring it back. Okay. Make sure that the front is the king. Yes, the front is the king, so we don't have to add any layout. Okay, because if I just move the front, everything is moving with it. So the front, so we don't have to add the break alignment here because the front is the king. Okay, what should I add here? We have to add again, we have to add the center lines and center marks. So obviously we have a center line, we have to select view, add it here, and add it here. Also we have to add center mark. Okay, this center mark has to be to include these two circles, so click on it, click on the circle center mark, push that to the right, push that to the left, because we want to include that for the other circle. Okay, and keep that because there is no circle here, or no curve here. Also we have to add center mark for this. We have a circle here, so click on the smaller one, then push it to the right, click escape, click on that again, push that to the right, push that to the push it up, then left, and keep that like this. The center mark, center line. Then we have to add, make sure that the tangent edge is not, tangent edge removed. Yeah, they are removed. Okay, this is how we can do that. Now the seventh step is to add the dash, the length. So this is a 98, the width, all the dimensions and the circles. Okay, and the full length from here up to the center, like this. Have to add the dimension, and it has to be in the middle, and we have to add the radius here, and leaders, as we know, choose the right down, choose custom text position, and choose, okay, like this. And you know, have to change the color to be black, change the solid lines thickness to be 0.7, change the dash lines to be 0.35, and so on. Okay, but the most important thing here is how to make a cut for the right. Okay, if I want to make section top view, I will cut it from the front in the center. Okay, from the front, and make the section top view. Okay, if the section view would be in the top, so I cut it from the top, from the front. I cut here from in the center, and make the section top view. Very simple. Okay, I hope you can complete this question and send it as a homework. Thank you very much.